morning, children. Welcome back to Class 5 English Grammar Worksheet 6. Reading Sub-Skills. Look at the pictures in this poster quickly. Say what problem this poster will talk about. So looking into this, what you can understand, you have to tell it quickly. 1 lakh marine creatures die every year by getting entangled in plastic. Chemicals used in making plastic items leak out into their surroundings when dropped in water. This makes plastic more deadly in the ocean than on land. Scientists have declared 400 acres in ocean as dead zones. No organisms can grow or survive here because of the low oxygen levels. The spilling of chemical waste from plastic into the sea is a major reason for this. Turtles cannot differentiate between plastic bags and jellyfish. It could take up to 1,000 years for a plastic bag to break up. They only break down into smaller pieces but never disappear. Fishing nets made by plastic are often left or lost in the ocean by fishermen. Fish, dolphins, sharks, and other creatures get entangled in them. They get hurt, go hungry, and cannot breathe due to this. Of the 672 fish caught during a voyage across the Pacific Ocean, 35% had swallowed plastic pieces. This voyage was conducted by the Marine Research Foundation way back in 2008. If you made a chain of all the plastic pieces in the ocean, it would go around the globe 4,200 times. Answer these questions. Name one thing that is most harmful to marine life. It is plastic. What happens when a plastic item is dropped into water? The chemicals used in making plastic items leak out into their surroundings. Approximately how many marine creatures die every year by getting entangled in plastic? At least 10,000 creatures. What were the findings of the Marine Research Foundation in 2008? 35% of the 672 fish caught had swallowed plastic pieces. What is a dead zone? Dead zone is a place in the ocean where no life organisms can grow or survive because of the low oxygen levels. How are lost fishing nets harmful to the marine creatures? The marine creatures get entangled in them, they get hurt, go hungry, and cannot breathe. Due to this, it is very harmful for the marine creatures. Say yes or no. After a few years, plastic items finally melt in water with the soil and disappear. No. Oceans are dirtied by the marine creatures more than the humans. No. Turtles can easily make out the difference between a plastic bag and a jellyfish. No. In about 60 words, write what is the main idea of the poster is. This is the work which you have to do it yourself. Grammar and words. There are 3 types of verbs with their own functions. Main verbs, auxiliary verbs, and modal verbs. Modal verbs are always followed by the main verbs and form verb phrases along with them. For example, we should leave now or we will miss the last train. Tick the sentences that match the situation. Sherin is talking about the summer holidays she spent with her grandparents. Every morning I would go for a swim in the river. It is Daisy's birthday tomorrow. Vanita tells herself this. I must remember to get a present for Daisy. Father bought some vegetables, but mother tells him it was not necessary. You need not have brought vegetables today. We still have some at home. Kajal is going to tell Sandra a secret. Do you have a minute? I need to talk to you. Mihir does not know what to do. What should I do now? The modal auxiliaries can, could, may, and might express many ideas. Modal auxiliaries do not change when with the person and number of the subject. Here you can see in this modal meaning and example. Can is the ability of a person. They can play the guitar. Could, it's an ability in the past. I could cycle when I was 6. Can is a possibility of something is possible. You can take the other route. Could is a possibility in the past, but with some doubt. That could be a hawk, not an eagle. May, possibility but with some doubt. He may come over to see grandma. May, permission. May I borrow your compass? Might, possibility in the future, but with some doubt. It might rain in the afternoon. Write sentences for these situations using the models may, not, might not, can, cannot, could and couldn't. The doorbell just rang. You think it is possibly the postman. It might be the postman. You are telling the librarian you will possibly return the book by tomorrow afternoon. I might return the book by tomorrow afternoon. You have not seen your friend all day. You think it is possible that she went home early. My friend might have gone home early. You are asking Pranav if he could possibly pass on some information to one of his friends. Pranav, can you pass on some information to your friend? You have been looking for a dictionary, but you have not been able to find it. I can't find the dictionary. You are telling your mother that it is possible you will come back a little late from school tomorrow. I might come back from school a little late tomorrow. Solve this crossword puzzle using the clues given. Here some clues are given for us. You have to solve this crossword puzzle and complete the work which is given to you. Addition of harmful substances to a natural environment is pollution. Waste matter carried away in sewers or drains, sewage. The area in which something exists or lives, environment. A very large sea is ocean. Take in as food, consume. A large piece of material used in sports and also fishing, it is net. Convert waste materials into new materials and objects, recycle. Something that is no longer in existence, it is extinct. See, look into the worksheet and complete this puzzle, children. Complete these sentences with the correct words from each set. Beside and besides are given here. You have to complete the sentences using the correct word. First dash will be beside and second will be besides. Here in the second one, first it is then it is than. Next it is accept, next one accept. Fourth one lose and lose. These shoes are too loose. Try the next size. Let's try harder. We must not lose the game again. Affect and effect. The rain may affect our plans for the picnic. The rain had a bad effect on the crops. Here it is a speaking work for you, children. You should do it by yourself. Look at these situations and describe the situations and info what has happened or what might be cause of the situation. This one you have to do your work in the pairs. Just ignore this. If you are interested, then you can do it or then ignore it. There is a writing words. Well, listen to these sentences and you have to write. See your name and address, you have to write it here. Date, name and the title address of the recipient and the first starting word, the body of the letter, final solution and your name. To end the letter, it will be your name. Looking into this writing work, we will write a letter to the physical education teacher. Now write a little letter to the physical education teacher of your school requesting permission to practice basketball after school hours. You and 6 of your friends need to practice for the inter-school basketball tournament next week. You will write your name, your class, your name of the school and where it is located and the date. And next you will write to whom you are addressing the letter. You are writing the letter to the physical education teacher and the name of the school and the place. Next you will start the letter. Dear Sir, we are a group of 7 students from class 6 who have been selected to participate in the inter-school basketball tournament which is going to be held in our school next week. We request you to let us use the basketball court to practice after school hours. If you could give us permission, it would help us stay in form and excel in the tournament. Thank you. Yours sincerely, you will write your name. Hope you all understood how to write a letter. Please do your work neatly and complete the worksheet. Thank you.